Present for sale at Three Pines Garage. Registration YO65 AKJ. Ford Transit Custom 2.2 TDCi 125 PS low roof D/cab limited van. It has done 123,000 miles with full service history. The van comes with alloys, air conditioning, DAB radio, Bluetooth, cruise control, heated seats, a heated windscreen, and parking sensors. A sensible mileage 2.2 custom crew in excellent condition. Finding one like this is becoming increasingly difficult, and this fantastic multipurpose workhorse is not one to miss out on. Be quick. A full MOT and full service are included in the sale. Part exchange is considered at trade value, finance options available, and warranty is included. There is no VAT. You can contact us at 07300 300 101 or at 01885488188. Go to threepinesgarage.co.uk now to find up to 100 crew vans, panel vans, and 9-seaters in stock. Open 7 days a week for viewing.